Hey guys, this is Tech Genius, and in today's video, we're gonna talk about the newest AI model. Now, I know we've all heard about ChatGPT. It's been the go-to AI for everything. Writing essays, building businesses, and even coding apps. And yes, it's had some competition from DeepSeek, which is another great AI. But China has just released an upgraded beast called Kimi AI 1.5. Today, we are going to be comparing ChatGPT and Kimi AI to see which one is the best for you. For the first test, we are going to test the speed and quality of explanations from both ChatGPT and Kimi AI by giving them both a complex prompt that includes code, physics, and visuals. Right off the bat, ChatGPT takes noticeably longer to analyze the data before generating a response. ChatGPT responded by generating detailed graphs along with thorough explanations, making the information easy to understand. Kimi AI was noticeably quicker in handling the prompt, especially when it came to executing and presenting the code, which ChatGPT did not do. Next, we are going to test photo analysis by giving both AIs the same image and asking them to describe what they see. This will help us compare their visual understanding and descriptive accuracy. ChatGPT did a great job describing the photo, highlighting not just the main elements, but also capturing the overall mood and providing details about the background. Kimi AI delivered a similar description to ChatGPT, but went even further in detail, noting the ethnic background of the individuals and describing the specific colors of clothing each person was wearing. Now, I'm going to compare how many files each AI can handle. Kimi AI allows up to 50 uploads in just one prompt, making it ideal for working with large volumes of information. In contrast, ChatGPT currently limits users to only 3 uploads per day, which can be a restriction for more intensive tasks. Honestly, it all comes down to the type of work you're doing. ChatGPT shines when it comes to generating images and graphs, providing more detailed answers, and offering better multilingual support. Kimi AI stands out with its speed and stronger coding capabilities, a more in-depth photo analysis, and the real game changer is its ability to handle up to 50 uploads in a single prompt. Each has its strengths, so the best choice depends on your specific needs. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. This is Tech Genius and thanks for watching.